So hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as mentioned here, we are in the lecture number 3 of Laplace transformation. और स्टार्टिंग के सपोज से 2 लेक्चर जो हमने कवर किए थे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द टॉपिक दैट इज़ व्हाट लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. सो फर्स्ट लेक्चर में क्लियरली वी सॉ द इंट्रोडक्शन टुवर्ड लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और सेकंड लेक्चर में वी कंसिडर फ्यू फंक्शंस और उस फंक्शंस के हमने लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस को कैलकुलेट किया था. और मैंने सेकंड लेक्चर के एंडिंग में आपको बताया था कि वट एवर द थर्ड लेक्चर विल बी दैट विल बी ऑन द बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. So as you can see, I have mentioned few problems like sine 4t, then I have cosine hyperbolic of 2t, t cube e to the power 4t and one t plus t square plus t cube problem. So suppose for example, now if I consider the first problem, that is what sine 4t, and we have to calculate its Laplace transformation, and this is very easy once you know all the basic formulas that we have derived. If I am to recall the most of the problems, so हमने देखा था कि suppose if you calculate the Laplace of 1, that comes out to be what 1 upon s. Then we also calculated Laplace of t to the power n, that was nothing but what n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1. Then we calculated Laplace of e to the power at, that came out to be 1 upon s minus a. Also we calculated Laplace of e to the power minus of at, that came out to be 1 upon s plus a. Also Laplace of cos hyperbolic at, this was s divided by s square minus a square. Then Laplace of sin hyperbolic at, this was a divided by s square minus a square. लेटर जो मैंने दो आपको कैलकुलेट करने के लिए बोला था, लाप्लास ऑफ साइन 80, दिस विल बी a डिवाइडेड बाय s स्क्वेयर प्लस a स्क्वेयर. एंड एट्थ वन लाप्लास ऑफ cos 80, जो हमारे पास आएगा s डिवाइडेड बाय s स्क्वेयर प्लस a स्क्वेयर. So based on all these formulas that we have formulated, we will be solving these problems, and this looks very simple once you know all these basic formula. बड़े simple problems होंगे. Like suppose for example, if I want to calculate Laplace of suppose say sine of 4t. Now this problem says we have to calculate Laplace of sine 4t. Now we have what? We have already seen that Laplace of sine 80, Laplace of what? Sine 80, this comes out to be a divided by s square plus a square. So if I compare these both the things like sine 4t and sine 80, I will get the value of a equal to what? 4. A will be equal to simply 4. That implies Laplace of sine 4t, this will be simply equal to 4 divided by s square plus 4 square, this will be equal to 4 divided by s square plus 16. And this is very simple. This all the problems which we have formulated are very simple problems. So just we have to know all these formulas. Now suppose I want to solve the second one. The second problem states that, what is the second problem? We have to calculate Laplace of cos hyperbolic of 2t. Again we have already formulated that Laplace of cos hyperbolic of 80, this will be simply what? s divided by s square minus a square. Again on comparing we get a value equal to what? 2. That implies Laplace of cos hyperbolic of 2t, this will be simply s divided by s square minus of 2 square, which is simply s divided by s square minus of 4. And this is the Laplace of what? Cos hyperbolic of 2t. And these are very simple problems. Once again I am telling you, we will be doing more complicated problems in the upcoming lectures. So यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप, अगर थर्ड फंक्शन में कंसिडर करूँ, that is f of t is given as to be what? t to the power 3. Again we have Laplace of t to the power n is equal to what? N factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1. Now what we are calculating is Laplace of t to the power 3. So on comparing, what we are getting is n value is equal to what? 3. So you can see either t to the power n है, यहाँ पे t to the power 3 है. So on comparing, get n is equal to what? 3. So on simply substituting, we get what? 3 factorial divided by s to the power 3 plus 1. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1 divided by s to the power of 4. So 3 into 2 will be 6 divided by s to the power 4. And this will be the Laplace transformation of what? T cube. Now moving on to the next one. The fourth problem is simply what? F of t is given to be what? E to the power 4t. Again we have Laplace of e to the power at equal to 1 upon s minus a. That implies Laplace of e to the power 4t will be simply is equal to what? 1 upon s minus 4. This will be simply what? 1 upon s minus of 4. So you can see whenever you know the formulas, the Laplace transformation problems are very simple. Now the fifth one, यहाँ पे question बड़ा दिख रहा है, like f of t is again t plus t square plus t cube. So we know that we are having rather Laplace of t to the power n to be what? n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1. So यहाँ पे complete function का like Laplace of f of t हम अगर ले ले, so this will be what? Laplace of t plus Laplace of t square plus Laplace of t cube. So on applying the formula here, t to the power is what? 1. So simply this will be what? 1 factorial divided by s to the power 1 plus 1. फिर यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू 2 है हमारे पास, so this will be 2 factorial divided by s to the power 2 plus 1 plus again 3 factorial divided by s to the power 3 plus 1. So this will be 1 upon s square plus 2 divided by s cube plus again 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6 divided by s to the power 4. So this will be the Laplace transformation of your fifth problem. So आप देख सकते हैं clearly कि whatever the problems you have considered, those are very simple once you know all these basic formulae. These are very important formulae. So in the next lecture, we will be dealing about the properties of Laplace transformation. So keep supporting, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.